The minors and cofactors of determinants. This exercise is based on the minors and cofactors. Find the value with the help of minors and cofactors. Exercise 4.4. Now question number 1. Write minors and cofactors of the elements of the following determinants. In question number 1, 2, 0, minus 4, 3. It is a order 2 by 2 order A, C, B, D. Okay. Now find minors and cofactors. This is a determinant of second order. Take an example. If this is a 1, 1, 2, 1 and A, 1, 2 and A, 2, 2. These are the element of a determinant. Therefore, the minor of A1, minor of AA element is M11. So we can write A11 means it is A22. The minor of A11 element is A22. Okay. Just eliminate the first row and first column. Remain element is the minor. Same minor of A12. 12 means first row and second column. It is A21. A21. Next, A12 equal to A21. A12 minor of this is equal to A21. And the third minor of A21. It means neglecting the row, second row and the first column. It is A12. Minor of 21 equal to A12. And the same minor of A22. A22 means eliminate second row and second column. It is 1, 1. It means A11. Okay. Now for this determinant, minor of A11 means M11. M11 means just eliminate first row, first column. It is 3. And the cofactor means minus 1 raised to power. If it is 1, 1 means 1 plus 1 and it is M11. This will be 3. Minus 1 raised to power 2, 1 and M11 is 3. Next, the M12. M12 means first row, second column. It is 0. Now the cofactor A12. We can write the cofactor A12 equal to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 into 0. It is 0. Okay. Now the minor of A21. A21 means second row, first column. It is minus 4. Now the cofactor A21 equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 here. And the minus 4. M21. It is minus 1 minus it is 4. And the last minor of second row, second column. Second row, second column it is 2. And the cofactor A22 equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 and the M22. M22 means 1 into 2. It is 2. These are the minors and these are the cofactors. This is a determinant A, B, C, D. Now the minor M11, M12, M21 and M22 minors. The first we have to write the minor. M11 means D. D means first row, first column eliminate D. M21 first row, second column it is B. M21 second row, first column C. And M22 last A. Just eliminate the ith number row and jth number column. Now the cofactors. A11. A11 it means minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 and M11. It is 1 into D. It is D. Okay. Now A12 minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 and M12 minus 1 into B equal to minus B. And cofactor A21 minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 and M21. Minus 1 raised to power 3 is minus 1 into C, it is minus C. And A22 minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 and M22 minor, it is A. These are the minors D, B, C, A and the cofactors are there. Next question number 2. This is the question number 2 is of order 3 determinant 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and the next 1 0 4 3 5 minus 1 0 1 2. This is a determinant. First we have to find the M11. M11 means eliminate first row, first column. Only 1 0 0 1. The value equal to 1. Okay. Now the factor of A11 equal to minus 1 raised to power 2, 1 plus 1, 2 and 1 equal to 1. Okay. Now M12. It means first row, second column. It is 0 0 0 1. It is 0. Now the factor is also 0. M13. First row, third column. First row, third column. This will also equal to 0. It means the factor is also equal to 0. Next, M21. Second row, first column. Second row and first column. It is 0 0 0 1. It is also equal to 0. It means M21 equal to 0. M22 equal to second row, second column. It means 1 0 0 1. It is 1. And the factor A22. Cofactor A22 means minus 1 raised to power 4. 2 plus 2, 4 into 1. It is also 1. Now M23. Second row, third column. It means 1 0 0 0. 1 0 0 0 equal to 0. Now cofactor is also equal to 0. Now M31. 31 means third row, first column. 1 0 0 1. 0 1 0 0. It means it is also equal to 0 and A31 equal to 0. And the next M32. M32 means third row, second column. Third row, second column. It is 1 0 0 0. It is also equal to 0. Now the factor A32 equal to 0. Now M33. Third row, third column. Third row, third column. It means 1 0 0 1. Just eliminate. Third row, third column. It is 1. Now the cofactor A33 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 3 6 into 1. M33 it is 1. Answer is 1. These are the cofactors and minors. Now the second one. This is a second determinant. 1 3 0 0 5 1 4 minus 1 2. We have to get first M12 minor of M11 minor of A11. A11 means first element A11 this one. Just eliminate first row, first column. We get 5 minus 1 1 2. It is 5 into 2 minus 1 into 1. It is 1. 5 equal to 11. Okay. Next M12. M12 first row second column. It is 3 minus 1 0 2. 3 minus 1 0 2. It is equal to 3 into 2 minus 0 into minus 1. It is 6. And M13. Minor of A13. First row third column. It is 3501. 3501. It is 3 by the 3. Okay. Now M21. 21 second row first column, second row first column 0412. 0412. It is 0 into 2 0 minus 4. And M22. Second row second column means 1402. 1402. It is 2 into 1 2. And M23. Second row third column. It means 1001. 1001. It is 1. Now minor of M31. Eliminate third row first column. It is 0 4 5 minus 1. You will get multiplying 0 into minus 1 minus 5 into 4. It is minus 20. M32. Third row second column 1 4 3 minus 1. It means 1 into minus 1 minus 4 into 3. Minus 1 minus 12 is minus 13. And last M33. Third row third column 1035. 5. Okay. Now cofactors. Okay. Cofactor A11. A11 is minus 1 raised to power 2 into M11, yani it means 11. It is 11. A12 minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 3 and into 6. It is minus 6. A13 minus 1 raised to power 4 1 plus 3 4 and into 3. It is 3. Now A21 minus 1 raised to power 3 into minus 4. It is 4. A22. A22 means minus 1 raised to power 4 into M22. You can write as like this. It means 1 into 2 equal to 2. A23. Cofactor of A23. It means minus 1 raised to power 5 into 1. It is 1. A31. Minus 1 raised to power 4 into minus 20. A31, M31 minus 20. It is minus 20. And A32 minus 1 raised to power 5 into minus 13. It is 13. Minus 1 raised to power minus minus plus. And A33 minus 1 raised to power 6 into 5. It is 5. These are the cofactors and they are minors. Okay. Question number 3. Using cofactors of elements of second row. Evaluate the value of determinant 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1 and 1, 2, 3. Now using the cofactors of second row. Okay. Value of determinant by using the second row. Second row means the element A21 and cofactor A21 plus element A22 and cofactor of A22 and element A23 and cofactor of A23. Okay. First we have to find the A21. So M21 equal to, M21 means second row and first column. It is 3823. 3823. It means 3 into 3 minus 2 into 8. 9 minus 16 equal to minus 7. Okay. Now the cofactor A21 equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 into 1. Sorry, 2 plus 1 into minus 7. It is 7. Next, A22. There first we have to find the M22, minor of M22. M22 means second row, second column. Eliminate second row, second column. It is 5813. 5813. It means 5 into 3 minus 1 into 8. 15 minus 8 equal to 7. Now the cofactor A22 minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 2 into M22. M22 is 7. Now M23, second row and third column. 5312. 5312. It is 5 into 2 minus 3 into 1. It is also equal to 7. Now A23 minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3 into 7 minus 7. Okay. Now find the value of determinant. Put the value of A21. A21 means it is 2. A21 equal to 2. 2 into A21, capital A21 is 7. Plus A22, second term is 0. A22 is 0. Into A22 7. Plus A23, A23 means it is 1. A23 means 1. 1 into 7. 1 into minus 7. Okay. 14 minus 7. Value is equal to the 7. The value of this determinant using second row, the value of the determinant is 7. Now question number 4. Using cofactors of element of third column, then evaluate the value of determinant 1, 1, 1, x, y, z and y, z, z, x, x. This is the discriminant 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, y, z, z, x, x, y. Now find the value of taking third column. Third column means A13, cofactor of A13. And A23 element, cofactor of element 23. And A33 and cofactor of element A33. So now you can write here. First we have to find the A13. The cofactor of A13 means minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 3. And the minor of A13, 1, column 1, row 1, third column. It is 1y, 1z. 1y, 1z. It is my plus 1, z minus y. Now the second A23, minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3. Second row, third column eliminate करें 1x, 1z. 1x and 1z. It is minus 1 and z minus x. So we can write x minus z. Okay. Next, A33. It will minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 3 and the 1x, 1y. Positive y minus x. Now put the values in the discriminant values. A13 is yz and z minus y. A23 zx, x minus z, and third xy, y minus x. Now simplify. Y z square minus y square z plus z x square minus x z square and x y square minus x square y. Okay, now compile. First we take in pair. This is a pair. Next one is the pair x square z minus x square z minus z square x square z and x square y, x square z, x square y. And now x y square minus x z square. This one is pair. Okay. Now take the common yz. It is z minus y. And now take common x square. It is also z minus y. And in this x y square minus z square. Okay. Take z minus y in these two. It is yz plus x square. In x, y minus z, factorize it, y plus z. Now take z minus y whole common. Z minus y common means yz plus x square minus xy minus xz. Because I am taking z minus y common. Here is the sign of change. Now again rearrange. Okay. The x square minus xy and yz minus xz. Again factorize. Take x common, x minus y. Take minus z common, then x minus y. The factors are z minus y, x minus z and x minus y. If we take 2 minus common, so it will becomes first term x minus y, next y minus z and third z minus x. This is the final value of the given determinant. Okay. Now the step by step solution is here. And the last question is, if the determinant is this given, if aij is the cofactor of aij, then the value of determinant is given by a11 a31. No, it is not possible. Next a21 a11. No, it is not possible. a11 a11, a12 a21. No, it is not possible, because this is the cofactor of the given element 13 and a13, and the d is a11 a11, a11 cofactor of 11, a21 cofactor of 21, a31 cofactor of 31. It means D is the right answer. Okay, we can find the value of determinant by using this formula.